Hey guys, what's up? Do you want to say hi?
Hey, how's it going?
So this is Peter. He was the guy I mentioned in the first video. Today we're doing something a little bit differently. We are at a store to pick up something for my sister's gender reveal party. That's happening tomorrow, so I'm going to vlog about it. Do you want to say what we're gonna get?
The firework.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna get a firework that reveals the gender of the baby. So I'm helping her plan this. And we're super excited to find out what she's having. And we're getting this shit done. So we just bought it. And it's that box right there. So we got a firework made. Pete's gonna have to know what it is before anyone else, because he has to light it. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I want to know what it is right now, but I'm not allowed to. So he knows what it is. He's telling the dog, but he's not telling me. Bear, come here. Come here. What is it? Can you tell me what it is? Bear. What is it? What did he tell you? Look at me. Hey. Tell me. What did he tell you? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? Is it a boy or is it a girl? Can you speak twice if it's a boy? Speak! Okay, so is it a girl? A little update. We got the firework today. Tomorrow we are grabbing a cake. Now that I'm getting closer to it, I really want to know. Peter has been killing me by not telling me what it is. So I asked him and he's like, I'll give you a hint. And I'm like, okay. And he's like, it wears shoes. Yeah, he's being a dick about it. Now that we're getting closer to it, I really want to know what she's having. But I haven't been able to get it out of him. I guess I'll have to wait till tomorrow. So today's the day that we find out the gender of my sister's baby. Now that we're here, I am like freaking out. I really want to know what she's having. Peter has not cracked. He's good. He's good. He has not told me at all. No hints, nothing. He's teased me a lot about it though. All that's left to do is for me to go pick up a cake, and I'm doing that in a few minutes, and then she arrives and we have dinner and yada yada yada. I'm super excited to find out. And yeah, I'll show you guys once we get to it. So we just picked up the cake from DQ. We got an ice cream cake. We also got some blizzards. Peter still hasn't cracked. He will not tell me what she's having. Yeah, so that's my little update. Technically, I can look because it's right on my lap. I'm not going to be that person. I'm going to wait. I'm kind of hoping Peter will up and tell me before I find out.
Not happening.
Alright guys, yeah, I'll record a little bit soon during our dinner. Brother decorating the kitchen. Look at him. You want to turn around and smile? Say hi to my YouTube subscribers.
What's going on, subscribers?
What's going on, subscribers?
If you were to come around that corner and land on there, you owe me $12 for the rent. Because I had no house on there, no hotel. So
before the guests get here, Peter is teaching me how to play Monopoly because I've never played a game of Monopoly in my life. I live in a box, guys. And Bear's joining us too.
Bear's trying to get in that box.
Peter over here wants to be banker because he wants to cheat. He wants to cheat. So no, let me say this story. So the was gonna pay for something on here with the bank money and not his own money, okay? Yeah, okay. And then hold on. And then right now he goes, I want to exchange $500. So you know, he starts counting out the money, and then the 500 is underneath the money he counted the whole time and then put it in his pile, trying to steal the $500 back.
I was not done.
You're a cheater, and that's why you want to be banker.
It was like this.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
tell everybody.
Was here.
Okay.
The 500 was here,
okay.
And I made my my first 100.
And then you put it on, and then you moved it to your pile.
I sat it, and then I went to go sit it over here, and that's when I said I made a mistake, and I picked it up. I said no.
Guys,
and I
look at this face. He's
and then I still had to go grab
he's
4 more of these.
He's literally cheating against someone who's terrible at math and who's never played this game before, guys. He's terrible.
He needs
Ooh.
Oh, you're tripping me out.
Heads up!
Woo!
Oh, that's fucking sad.
She's so scared.
That's
She's so scared.
It's a boy. I knew it.
So we're in bed, and the verdict is that she is having a boy, and we're very excited, right, babe? Yeah. We're exhausted. Yeah, everybody's in bed and ready for sleep. So I think it's bedtime. My sister wanted to have a boy, so she's very happy that she got what she wanted. We're super excited for the next chapter in her life. Baby, are you sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, this is my last video for the blog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Baby, you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything? Just good night? Nothing? Alright guys, he's passing out. Good night.